Hi Mike, I want to thank you for your interest in our clicker die cutting press. I got your material here, got a couple circles, dies I want to test out for you. I don't think our 700 is going to be able to get through both layers of this material, so this is why I'm suggesting the 15. You can probably place 2 or 3 of these dies on here to do what you need. I've also got a larger die here. I'm going to go ahead and use your sample. I did one test cut already, worked out great. As you can see, folded it in half, cut out the piece of material. I'm going to go ahead and lay this down here. Now these are clicker dies and steel forged dies. They're 1 1/4 inch high. The steel rule dies, the steel forged die is solid. I mean, this is one of the heavy duty dies. It's a little more expensive than our clicker dies, which we weld together here. We can manufacture these right here in our shop. These we have to we have another manufacturer that does these for us. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the smaller one here. I'll get it set over in the center so you can see how it works. Slide it in, pull that out. As you can see, cuts the material out very nicely, both layers. And I'm going to go ahead and try 2 of these at a time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and fold this over this way. And I'm going to take this die, set it on this side. This die, set it on this side. And we'll try to do both of them at the same time. That way you can see you're probably going to be able to get 2 or 3 cuts out of one piece of material. Well, it looks like some of the strings caught a little bit on the edges, and it looks like the material kind of unweaves as you cut it like that. I'm not sure if that's the actual property you want. Now the clicker die didn't seem to cut all the way through as cleanly as the steel forged die. Now I'm going to go ahead and try a different one here just to show you what the properties are like on that. I know you have a certain application for that you're dealing with. This is what they call a steel rule die. It's mounted in wood. It has a sharper blade. Now you can manufacture these. We can get these done for you at a little bit of a better quality edge on here. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this down. And lay my die on top of this so you can see how this cuts out. I'm going to go ahead and get two of them out here where you can see them. So even with the steel rule dies, with your type of material, the steel forged die is going to give you the best cut for this type of material. I'll send you this video and we'll discuss it. Thank you, Mike.